Welcome back, guys. Something a bit different today. I'm on the camera for once. I tend to do all the cooking and the general household stuff around the van, and Matt does all the driving and all the techie stuff. So he's decided to buy me a new pan set. This pan set we've had, it's been great. It's from the Hungry Bikers set, all Induction. I've cooked everything on this and it's not been a problem. But as you can see, the big pan is big. It takes up a lot of space in the drawer. The little one, I can do about one chicken breast in that. So it's not great, but we've managed. I've now got a new set, which I'm now going to show you. Matt has purchased me a FlavorStone set, which we've seen Mark from Vanlife each using, and he highly rates them. So we're going to give them a go, see what we get in the box and try out cooking with them. Big flaps open up. What we got first? Whoop. That was probably the warranty that just fell out. Bit of cardboard, your book about how to look after them and everything. The one pan lid. Now I think there is only one pan lid. I could be wrong. That's a nice glass pan lid. I'll pop that up there for a sec. Two handles. Another bit of cardboard. It's a lot of cardboard, but you know, that I think is the steamer tray, frying tray. Lots of bits. Another bit of cardboard. The big deep pan, which I'll just show you. That's quite deep. And you got another bit of cardboard there, which I'll pick up in a sec. That one there is almost as deep. Yep, that one's almost as deep, but it's still pretty deep. But all the pans interlock, so they'll go in the cupboard nicely. Another shallow one, which would be nice for doing just some nice bits of chicken and that in. There is more. Hang on, there might be one more. Then you've got the last one, which is a big, almost griddle pan. It is a griddle pan. It's got the ridges in it, which is nice. So that then means I have an empty box that I can put everything back in. All the bits of paper, all the bubble wrap will all get recycled properly. And we'll get all this closed up. Pop that to one side. And there you go. Big griddle. Frying pan. Smaller, squarer pan. And a big pan. One lid for the three that are the same size. You don't get one for the griddle pan, which is fine. A frying pan compartment, which can go in any of these ones, and a steamer pan, which can go in there as well, and two handles. That's quite a good little set. I should be able to do quite a lot with that, and it will fit better in the cupboard because literally it will all stack together and it won't be a problem, and it takes up that amount of room. So that should be so much better in the cupboard. So let's talk about what's inside the box. Start with the handle. It's quite an ingenious handle because for somebody with manual dexterity, releasing things is hard. That locks it in place. Now it won't come undone no matter how hard you pull it or shake it. You have to flick it round to there, which opens it slightly, and press the two buttons for it to fully open. Now I'll show you on a pan. Fully open. Press it down. Finger over to lock it. It won't come off. It's solid as a rock. It will not, no matter what you do. Try and pull it apart, it won't come off. Now it's fully in place. You can see nothing moves it. It's solid on there, just like your ones where they're fully connected. It's not a problem. You just need to make sure that's fully released off, and then double press and it comes off. And then you're just left with a pan with no handle, so it can go anywhere in a cupboard. But then you just put your handle anywhere in the cupboard as well. This pan is bigger than the rest, round, but it's actually got all the ridges in it. So you can cook your steak, your chicken, your salmon, anything in there that wants to be griddled. You can even do some veggies in there as well, which will actually make it all taste and look nice. But I will remove the sticker before I use it. So for cooking with the units, with the pans, you get a little steam tray, which you pop in the pan that way round. Steam, quite self-explanatory, but it means there's a specific designated pan for steaming. This one, your deep fat fryer. I doubt this one will ever get used because I'm not very much into my fried food, but again, it stands off for the bottom so that you can actually fry food in it. And then of course, the one single pan lid, which is quite interesting. It's glass with metal, but yeah, it's quite solid, quite robust, nice. And here we have the smaller frying pan, shallow dish, depending on how you want to call it. It is like a frying pan because it's quite shallow. It's only about an inch deep, maybe a bit more, so you'd be able to do most omelettes and that kind of thing in there. A shallow frying pan kind of thing. And the next pan, same shape as the previous one, but it is a little bit deeper. I'm going to say it's about 2 and a bit inches deep. Could be wrong, but again, you can do soups in it, you can do anything you want in it, to be perfectly honest. It's got so much variety in what you can do in it. It can even go in an oven, to be fair. It can do a small roast in it. But yeah, it's just a little bit deeper. It just means that your soups and that can go in it slightly easier. And then the last one of the big set. Same size as the previous two, but this one I think is about 3, maybe 4 inches deep. It's quite deep. Again, put my fingers in, it's quite deep. But again, you can put a roast in it, you can do a soup in it, you can cook most things in these, so it's not a problem to cook everything in it. As you can see with the big casserole edition, you can put the lid on it, not a problem. Pop it in the oven. It's got its own handles because obviously you're going to want to put this in the oven so it can casserole, so it can stew. If you've got the advantage of that, great. I'm not sure, no, I don't think these can actually go on the outdoor fires, but they can go on gas, they can go on electric, they can go on induction, which is important to us because we're on induction. And I believe they might even be dishwasher safe, but I'm not sure. I haven't got a dishwasher in the van, so I'm not worried about that. I know I can wash them up by hand. This is what I've had for the last 3 and a bit years, whilst we've been out travelling in the van, doing what we've been doing. Standard IKEA little saucepan, that's going to be replaced. A small frying pan, like I said, from the Hairy Bikers. Great little pans, but it's a little one, so really needs upgrading. And I've got the bigger one, again, from the Hairy Bikers. And then I've got a giant wok that I don't actually think we've ever actually used. So that's going to be replaced as well. And when you look at the stack, they don't quite stack together, not as well as you want them to. And they take up a lot of room, width-wise and height-wise. So let's see how big the stack is from the new set. The casserole pan tucks away the deep pan, tucks away the saute pan, and you can even put the steamer piece on top, all stacked away as one unit. So it's a nice, tidy little unit, all ready to go into the cupboard. I've just had a quick flick through the FlavorStone Diamond Edition book, and it gives you some quick and easy recipes to follow for breakfast and some lunch and that sort of thing. Beef, nice. So that you can actually make some quick and easy meals without having to do too much digging around and working out what you can and can't cook in it. It is dishwasher safe, but they don't recommend you use it in a dishwasher. Just use mild soap on it. Because it's non-stick, it doesn't need anything abrasive on it. So no using metal on it, no using scratch pans on it or anything like that. It should just wipe out clean with a little bit of soap and a paper towel. That should keep the whole lot spick and span and clean and tidy. I am going to get some proper felt pads for it. I have got some originally from my other pans that I'm going to pop in for now. So let's pop this in place and I'll show you where it fits in the cupboard. And there are the pans in place. I've had to do a bit of wiggling around just so I can make sure it all fits in place. But we've gained some space because obviously we had the handle sticking out here. I've still got the handle sticking out, but down there is where the additional handle is down there. You've got the handle from the big boy pans here, but it just means a little bit of wiggling around, but it all fits and the drawer still shuts, so it's not a problem. So nothing touches, nothing hits. We made the drawers deep enough for them. And that's the FlavorStone 9-piece Chef's Collection set. If any of you have got this set and you would like me to try any recipes that you have done, please leave them in the comments below. Or any other recipes you'd like to see in this pan set, please leave them in the comments below. All that's left for me to say is thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe and the notification bell to hear when the next video goes live. See you in the next video.